Okay, now we are going to look at agụmagụ ọnụ or ọdịnala. That is egwuregwu. That is, we call it oral literature. People call it oral literature in Igbo, or play in English, or play. But we call it agụmagụ ọnụ or agụmagụ ọdịnala. You can refer to it as egwuregwu, which is play. But people call it oral literature or play or drama, anyone. But we call it agụmagụ ọnụ or agụmagụ ọdịnala, egwuregwu. So look at egwuregwu Igbo. That is Igbo play. Igbo play, egwuregwu Igbo. So drama or play, as otherwise called, is a genre of oral literature that is used to exercise one's body. See it in your English as well. It makes people happy. The Igbo people use it to show things that happen around them in life. So we Igbo people use it to show things that happen around us. So we have a lot of plays in Igbo. Most of them go with songs. Yes, most of our Igbo plays or drama go with song. That's what we'll be looking at in this moment. So please subscribe to this channel and share the video, like the video, click on that bell icon so that you'll be able to be notified whenever we release a video. So you have so many of them. Most of the Igbo drama or play comes with song. You have number one song there, which is Pankolo. We are going to sing it. Number two there is Okay, Pukpu Ogene. Ogene. We are going to sing it. The third one is Onyelelanya Nazo. Okay, it's a song. The next one is Ikpo Oga. See these two people, they are doing that. Ikpo Oga is one of our plays. Now, the importance of oral literature are numerous. We have so many benefits or importance of oral literature. It makes people happy. So in bracket, ọ na-enye ndị mmadụ obi ụtọ. So it makes people happy. The next one is that B, it's used for relaxation. Eji ya ezu ike. We use it to do what? To relax, to rest. So that is that. The third one is it is used for advice. Yes. Eji ya enye ndụmọdụ. We use it to give people advice. Okay, it is fourth one, D, is it is used to teach children their culture. Yes, eji ya akụziri ụmụaka omenala ha. Ụmụaka means children. Akụziri means to teach. Omenala means culture. So that's that we use to teach our children our culture. So it makes children to look healthy. Ọ na-eme ka ụmụaka gbasie ike. So it makes the children to look healthy. Okay? It helps us to remember what happens in the past. Yes, we use it to remind ourselves what happened in the past. So eji ya echeta ihe mere n'oge gara aga. Okay? The G part of it is that it makes someone to be bold and outspoken. Yes. Ọ na-eme ka mmadụ nwee nkwuwa okwu. So it makes you to be bold, makes us to be bold and outspoken. Alright, so we'll continue. Okay. Okay, we have this one, Akpankoro. So this is how it's done. So the children will hold their hands. Look at the picture. The children will hold their hands and they will be singing, Pankoro, 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 and they will be turning around. As they are singing, they will turn around. As they are singing, they will be turn around. So let's go further into it. Okay, Kpakpankoro is a dramatic play children use to make themselves happy and energetic. To do this play, children will form a circle, hold one another's hand, running around and be singing the song of Akpankoro. When the song gets to Onye Omara, Suru ya ya ya. Okay, when it gets to Onye Omara, Suru ya 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 ya, Suru ya. The last person to squat down will be quit of the game. Will be quit. Will be removed out of the game. That's what that means. And the person will be asked to drop. So the game continues until it gets to the last person. The song of Akpankoro goes like this. So when they reach to this, they are singing and they get to Onye Omara Suru ya 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 Suru ya. So the last person to squat will be removed out of the game. So let's look at the song. The song, where they say Kpakpankoro, Kpang, that's the response. Kpakpankoro, Kpankoro, Kpakpankoro, Kpankoro, Udumo Ogene, Udumo Ogene, Onye Omara Suru ya 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 Suru ya. So that is how it's being done. So my battery is down, so we'll stop here. Next time we will continue. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn Igbo language anywhere you are in the world, be it in the United States, be it in the London, be it in South Africa, be it in Nigeria, anywhere you are in the world, you can reach out to us on +234 81 33 57 7465, and we will teach you online. We use Zoom and all these online teaching platform, and teach you will learn perfectly everything you need to know in Igbo. And if you have questions, click on that comment section and ask your question. Share this video to your friends that are interested in learning Igbo. Click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we release a video. If you want to contact us, +234 70 88 742 960. That's our second line. Thank you very much for your time. Next time we are going to continue with another Igbo play song. All right.